Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning effect where your video plays inside text using Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive right in. I've already added a video to my timeline that I want to play inside my text. Next, grab your type tool and type in the text you want. Go over to the Essential Graphics panel to customize your text however you like. Just a quick tip, this effect works best with a bold, large fonts. Now, head over to the Effects panel and search for Track Matte key. Drag this effect onto your video clip. With your video clip selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Expand the matte drop-down and select the video layer where your text is. Finally, play through your timeline to see the effect in action. Adjust any settings if needed until you're happy with the result. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.